Today we are going to see about angular or oblique projectile. So when a projectile is initially projected at an angle and is continuously subjected to gravity, we call it as oblique projectile or angular projectile. Say for example, a javelin throw. He puts the throw along a direction of theta. It goes and is continuously subjected and it comes down. We call it as ascend and descend. It goes in an ascending against gravity and then it is descending towards the gravity, and this is u. So along the x direction, this will have coordinate along the x direction and y direction, this being u, we call it as ux and uy. So we resolve it into a vertical component and horizontal component. So motion along the horizontal components, you want to see the motion. Along the horizontal means along the x direction. We take x is equal to x0 plus x ux of t plus half gx of t square, or ax of t square. So here x0 is equal to 0 because along the horizontal we are not giving any velocity, there is no displacement, and the velocity also is 0 along the x direction, or we can say it is angular. So resolving it along the x direction, we call it as u cos theta according to resolution of vectors, and ax is 0 because the acceleration along the x direction is 0. So we get x is equal to u cos theta into this t is there. So u cos theta into t, this becomes 0 because ax is 0, or I can put it there half 0 into t square. So we have now the component, x component. We see t is equal to x by u into x by u cos theta. X by u cos theta. You keep this as equation 1. So now we are going to derive the vertical component. Motion along the vertical. Here we are taking y is equal to y0 plus uy of t plus half ay of t square. Uy is 0. Sorry, y is 0, displacement. Y0 is 0. Displacement along the y direction is 0. So uy is equal to u sine theta along the y direction according to resolution of vectors. and AY is minus G, because the projectile is projected against the gravity. So substituting all this, we get U is equal to U sin theta into T minus half GT square. Now we can substitute for T from what we have derived from the X component. So Y is equal to U sin theta T is X by U cos theta minus half G X square by U square cos square theta. Now here you have sin theta by cos, U will get cancelled. So X sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So it is X tan theta minus half G by G square by U square cos square theta into X square. This is an equation of a parabola. Hence we say any body which is projected at an angle to the horizontal and is continuously subjected by gravity also derives a parabolic path. Thank you.